Hello, my little ones. Welcome back to writing class. Are you practicing all the cursive letters at home? Yes, very good. Whichever homework you are sending, I checked that homework and I saw you are writing very nicely. So, I am really appreciate your work. Very good, children. Like this only you have to write in your book. Okay. In today's video, we are going to learn more new two letters. But today I will not tell you which letter we are going to learn. You have to recognize and you have to tell me which letter we are going to learn. Okay, then look here. Come on. What is this? Yes, very good. Grapes. So, which letter we are going to learn? G. Cursive writing. G. G says G. G for grapes. Yes. And another letter we are going to learn. That is, come on. Tell me. I am a joker. Yes. Another letter is cursive small J. So today we are going to learn cursive small G for grapes and J for joker. So watch it carefully. Now, as we know, first we are going to recognize. Come on, tell me which letter is this? Capital G. You already know. Yes? Yes. G says G. This is small g. G says G. And this is a cursive G that we are learning today. Yes? Cursive writing G. Now we'll see some picture which start with the letter G. Okay, come on. G says goat. Again small g. G says girl. And last cursive G. G says gifts. Yes. So G says goat. G says girl. G says gift. G. We are learning cursive G. Now, how to write G? You have to see the video carefully. You have to see the formation. And you know, G comes in a which category? G comes in a clock climber because it's look like a clock. So, G comes in a clock climber category. Now, let's see the video. This is a cursive G. G says goat. G says goat. Now how to write G? Let's see. First you have to do C. C. Circle. Come down. Take a look and go on top. This is cursive small g. One more time. C. First you have to do cursive C. Then circle. Come down and take a loop and go out. This is G. You can say C. Circle. 9. You can say 9 also. 9 and take a turn. Then this is cursive G. Now how to write in a 4-line? Let's see that. You have to start from here, beginning from here. C, circle, come down and go out. Cursive G. G says G. Cursive small g. Now, I am going to teach you how to write G. First, we have to trace on G. Then we'll learn the correct formation. So, look here. First, you have to start from the down line. And you have to do C. C. Circle. Come down. Take a turn. And look, that is G. Again you have to start from here. First, which letter you have to do, children? First you have to do C. C, then circle. Then same line you have to come down. Take a small loop and go out. And this is our ending point. Start from here and here. Again, one more time. C, like this you have to say and write. Then you will remember the letter. C, circle, come down, take a small loop, go out. This is cursive writing G. Now we'll write in a 4-line book. Now in a 4-line book, but first we have to write date. Yes, and we have to write right side of margin. Come on. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line. Okay, you have to start from the second blue line. As we already learned how to write C, circle, touch the red line, take a small loop and go on top. This is cursive writing G. Again look here children, don't do in hurry. First which letter? Yes, C. Then circle. Then make a 9. After 9 take a loop and this is G. It is very easy. You have to remember the formation. Then you will learn very fast. Come on, we'll write again. C, circle, make a 9, small loop, G, cursive writing G. Continuously you have to say C, circle, 9, small loop, go on top, G, cursive writing G, cursive writing G. Don't go out from the line, then Miss will give you wrong. You have to touch both the blue lines. See, if you write like this, then Miss will give wrong. Why? Because you are not touching both the blue lines, you are not touching the red line. So don't write like this. Write always correct formation, and it is very easy. C, circle, make a 9, go on top. It's G, C, circle, come down, touch the red line, and G. Now you tell me how to write J. Miss will not tell you. Come on, tell me. Yes, first C, then very good. Circle, touch the red line. Very good. Then small loop and G. C, circle 9, small loop G. C, circle 9, small loop G. So here we finish how to write G in your 4-line book. Another letter is letter J. First we recognize capital J. J says J. Small j. J says J. And we are going to learn cursive J. J says J. J look like I but not I. This is J. In I also you have to put a dot, and in J also you have to put a small dot on top. And J comes in a which category? J comes in a, come on tell me. I already taught you 4 categories. J comes in a kite string category. J comes in a kite string category because it's look like a string. Yes, now let's see some pictures. J says J, 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 jam. J says J, 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 jug. And J says J, 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 jacket. Jam, jug, jacket. All 3 have same sound. J says J, J, J. Now let's see how to write J. This is the letter J, cursive writing J. J says jam. Now how to write J? First you have to do slanting line, come down, take a small loop and go on top, and last you have to put a small dot. This is cursive J. Again slanting line, standing line, small loop, go out, put dot, J. See how ball is going? Like this formation you have to write. This is the correct formation of J. And last you have to put dot. Don't forget to put a dot. Only two letters get dot on top, I and J. Yes, now we'll see how to write in a 4-line. See, this is two blue line, slant line, come down, take a small loop, go up, put dot, cursive J. J says J. Yes. First what to do? Yes, we have to trace. Then we'll learn correct formation. Come on. Slanting line, standing line, take a small loop, go out, last put dot. This is letter J. J says J. You have to start from here and you have to end here. Again, slanting line, standing line, take a small loop, go out. This is J. Say and write, children, then you will learn very fast. Slanting line, standing line, come down, take a small loop and out. You have to put dot. This is cursive J. Now you will write in a 4-line book. Okay children, this is our 4-line. Write date, yes, and start writing. Down blue line, first do slanting line, then come down, touch the red line, take a small loop, and this is cursive small J. J says J. How to write? See again, don't do in hurry. Slanting line, standing line, take a small loop and put dot. This is cursive writing J. Slanting line, touch the red line, small loop, put dot. This is cursive J. Again, from the down blue line, slanting line, touch the red line, take a small loop, put dot, cursive writing J. Slanting line, standing line, take a small loop, J. Slanting line, standing line, take a small loop, put dot, J. If you write like this, then Miss will give wrong. Why? Because you are not touching the blue line. You are not touching the red line. Correct formation is then. You don't have to lift your pencil. First you have to complete and then last you have to put dot. Again, slanting line, standing line, loop, dot, J, letter J. Say and write, then you remember how to write J. If you say and write, then you will learn. Slanting line, standing line, small loop, cursive J. Yes? Now children, you already learned 2 letters. Now you learned B and O. Now in this page we have to write join letters, and that we have to write B and O without lifting your pencil. Let's see how to write. First you have to do B, come down and continue writing O, B, O like this. Again First you have to write B. Here you complete B, then continue writing O. C, circle, go inside. O, B-O, bo. This is not any spelling, just for a practice. First we write B, then continue writing without lifting a hand. O. Again, how to write C? B, then continue writing O. Then after finish O, you have to lift your hand. In middle, if you lift your hand, then it is wrong. B, O. Joining letters. B, then O. Like this you have to practice at home. Any letters you can write, okay? No, not only B, O. You can write A, B, C together, D, E, F together. Whichever letter you learn, that you have to write in a join without lifting your pencil. Okay? See one more time. B. Continue writing, start O. After B, continue, start writing and start O. C, now B. I complete B. Now, not lifting my hand and continue, I am writing O. So, children, like this you have to practice joint letter. So, we learn G and another letter J. And joining letter B-O. You have to finish in your cursive book and send me homework, okay? And practice make you perfect. Practice make your handwriting perfect. First you feel very hard, but when you write and when you practice, then it become easy for you. Okay, children? So keep practicing. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.